Thanks so much for being here for our latest hairstyle on our channel. We are going to be doing a pull-through pony braid on this tutorial. I'm going to show from a side vision that basically you are going to be separating the sides into ponytails. Then you split those ponytails like this. Flip the next ponytail between the split. Make another ponytail. Then you split the ponytail you just did. Flip that up, secure it with your clip, and just repeat this process. So each time you make a separation of a ponytail, you pull the next ponytail up through the split. It's almost like a chain stitch. It's really easy, really quick, and really beautiful. You can also learn how to do this on yourself, and basically that is all it is ponytails. Split the ponytail, lift the second ponytail between the split, make another ponytail, split the previous ponytail and lift it up between, then continue this process. Then at the end, you're going to just pull it out and fluff it to give it that fullness. It is absolutely adorable and easy and beautiful. Hey friends, we're so glad you stopped by. Be sure to subscribe all so you don't miss any of our latest hairstyles that we upload throughout the week. God bless.